went for the morning swim, refreshing. We need to clean the car and do laundry at some time. Because we are running out of clean underwear. At least I...
Ew.
Too much information, sorry guys. My phone doesn't recharge and it's full of bullet hair.
Look at this.
It does not work. I have to buy a new used phone. We are running out of food, so we need to start portioning our meals. Not really. Pickles and tuna flakes. We bought this pelmeni, I don't know the English word. These were really hard to find.
It's like a cantarelli-like mushroom. I don't know which mushroom it is, but it's really good. It's just basically pasta with the
like
fillings.
ravioli type.
Yes.
It looks like this. These are stuck together. Oh no!
Most of the caravan owners or motorhome owners have had problems with the fridge when the van is not level.
It's too tilted.
Yeah. I think it's the fridge doesn't work because we are
very unbalanced.
Yeah. So our front wheels are much more lower, even if we are using the levelers. So that's why the fridge doesn't get cold.
Yeah.
But why it worked before? Maybe there's some dirt on the burner. We actually thought that we would need to go to service.
To clean it anyway.
Yeah, clean it anyway. So service the fridge and test all the LPG systems, and maybe if there's some service that they do for the trumas, and yeah, that has to be done. Because we have now used the fridge for full 3 years, like 24/7.
Yeah.
And we haven't done nothing to it, so it has been just working there, and that's it.
Safety reason, they advise you check the LPG system yearly.
Yes, yearly.
But we haven't done it ever, so maybe it's kind of our time to do it.
Yeah, but the fridge has been doing these bang noises a couple of times. I think 5 times in the past 2 months. So there's like BAM! Like somebody's there has been
explosion.
Like, yeah, LPG.
Yeah.
So maybe that's also the reason.
Oh, this coffee is so good.
Yes, let's drink coffee.
And soon eat pelmenis, mushroom ones.
It wasn't fault of the phone. It was fault of the cord again. So Sarah has been broken 8 cords in the past year, and 4 of them or 5 has been the original Apple ones.
The expensive ones.
Yeah, and now there was just a short circuit on the cord. I opened it and just opened the short circuit on the data side, and now it's working again.
Yeah.
Charging. Yes.
I don't know how I do it because I don't look the cord away from the wire. I always take it from the...
You do something wrong.
Always, yes.
Or is it that the Apple cords? These are the lightning cables. I have been using this cable
several years.
Yeah. Type C. Working like a charm.
Pelmenis are ready. Hot. They're all swollen. So they look like this. And inside them there's potato and mushroom.
Yeah, same mushroom. Really cantarelli like mushroom. But these are some kind of forest mushrooms, I don't know.
And these non-meat ones were kind of hard to find.
Yeah, we actually asked on a grocery store, the local woman, that we need mushroom pelmenis, and I used my translator. Google Translator on the phone and showed him mushroom and pelmens. And then they started looking. Where is mushroom pelmens? They were.
Yeah, the whole stuff.
Yeah, three women were trying to find those one. Yeah, it was really fun, but because the locals like, okay, I help.
Yeah,
the
they're so kind.
Yeah, didn't talk any English, or couple of words, but still, really nice. Yes, let's continue our morning
routine. Soon after coffee, you know what comes.
Seems like our fridge isn't working now because our van is too tilted forward, so we told that we don't use levelers in any place, but this is the only place that we have used those levelers. But it's not enough. It's not enough. Yeah, we are on the higher steps and still the van is a little bit tilted. Barbecue spot. It was past days, it was the forest fire warning was on, so we couldn't make food on a live fire. But now when it has rained, we can use again those barbecue spots to make food outside. So we've changed the spot a bit.
Yeah.
So now the van is on level ground, and let's see if the
fridge starts kicking. We put it on the full blast, so now we just wait and see if the damage is real or was it only the tilty thingy?
Yes, we haven't had any problems with the tilting of the van. It says I think 6% decline is the maximum.
Yeah.
That you can have in your van, or was it less? But it was quite a bit that you can tilt the van and still the fridge should work.
We are eating the frozen products away, so beans and these fish steaks.
Fish finger steaks.
Yeah. It's all wet and dumpy.
So how have you liked the iron pan?
Very much. The best product we have bought for the van. And Joni thought I would throw it away and not clean it.
Yeah. Sarah has a habit of throwing away things that she doesn't like to clean. Or if something gets really stuck.
But
yes.
Not this one.
Yeah, it's been great.
If you buy frying pan that is Teflon and it costs about 20 to 50 euro, you have to replace the pan every other year.
And this cost 60 euros.
Yeah, and it lasts forever.
Yes, and I thought that it would be sticky. All the when you are frying eggs or something, it will be sticky there, but it has been great.
At the first you need to use a lot of oil.
And we have burned it with the oil like one time.
Yeah.
So not that much, but we use a lot of oil anyway.
And we cook every food in this.
So it doesn't get dry and it's perfect.
Yeah. And if you cook fish here and next the omelette, the fish smell doesn't
go away.
No, it goes away. It doesn't taste in a second food. So I was amazed about that.
Well, I thought it would be always smelling a little bit of last food that we made.
No. Does it?
Yes.
Okay, maybe I haven't cleaned that well. Oops.
Oops. Fish and paints. It's not fish and chips, it's a fish and beans. Can I have a mega vegan mayo? Because I want to have a vegan mayo.